So it is time we take this to the next level. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I highly encourage you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and please give the video a thumbs up so that people can see the video and be like, damn, this video's kind of dope. So today we're gonna do something a little different. I've decided that for the longest time I've been telling myself document, don't create, document, don't create, but I've been creating, and very seldom have I been documenting. So today's video, it's gonna be kind of like a weekly vlog. That's what we're gonna do. And the reason why we're doing that is because I don't want to be like, when I think of myself and people ask me what I do, and at the moment I'm unemployed because I'm trying to make this music thing work. You know, sometimes I hesitate to say I'm a music producer. Like, sometimes I'd rather let people know that I'm unemployed than to tell them I'm a music producer, because I'm not at that level just yet. So a couple of weeks ago, you know, for the last couple of weeks, for the last couple of months, I keep hearing people say that you have to treat this like a business. It's not just a hobby. And sometimes it can be a little difficult because, you know, for someone in like my scenario, where my studio is also my bedroom, my bed that hasn't been made because it's like 8 in the morning. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing this last week. I've just been, this is what I've been working on. It's called the pillars of my business, as far as everything that I need to be focusing on and I need to be growing as a music producer slash artist. So once I did that, I created a list of weekly business goals that I need to accomplish in order to keep growing as a music producer. So I want to take you along for that ride of what my week consists of, as I try to, you know, as I'm on the up and up, you know. Most of these videos that I post on the channel are just like me having fun making beats, but I want you guys to see the growth that comes with the territory of I'm going to be a music producer, and this is what I want to pursue, and this is what I want to do for the rest of my life, because I like making music. So yeah, I hope you join me along for the ride. I'm kind of excited to see what we're gonna do with these. Just trying to challenge myself as far as the content that I create, where I'm actually documenting, but it's just how I'm gonna document it that I'm excited about, because I feel like it's gonna be a perfect opportunity for me to showcase my music. Because at the end of the day, like, a lot of people ask me like, oh, where's your music? And it's just like, if you watch my YouTube videos and you see me make a beat for 5-10 minutes, then you don't know what my music sounds like, because I haven't really released anything except for like one song on BeatStars. So we're trying to change that, and I want you along for the ride. So, like I said, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up, share the video, drop a comment, let me know if you're excited, let me know if you're coming along for the ride with me, and as always, don't sleep on me, baby.